Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Virgos. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, Virgos, we are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies, Virgos. For your relationship and career situation, I'll be picking one card from this deck. So this is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, Virgos. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy. And it is an intuitive reading, guys. This whole reading, it's an intuitive reading. So at some point of time, you may get the answers you are expecting. So it's better if you watch till the end of the reading for more clarity, Virgos. So let's start with these cards for your general energies. We have Five of Cups, Temperance in reverse, and Sun. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you have something on your mind. Maybe you are a person who has firm beliefs and ideals, and you stick to that rules you have for yourself. And maybe today there are people who have different ideals and different beliefs, and it is really difficult to bring that understanding. So it may be your circumstance in your relationship. Maybe you are trying to bring a beautiful understanding, you're putting in efforts, but this person may not understand your ideals or beliefs or your vision. Maybe because their ideas are different and their ideals and beliefs are different. And it's really difficult for them to adjust to you or adjust to your way of life. So, though you're trying really hard, and maybe you're worried about something, Virgos, you are thinking about the past, maybe whatever you lost, brooding over something that has happened, and there is no way you can change it, but still there is a lot of pain in your heart thinking about your past circumstance, and you're not aware of what is there right in front of you. Maybe in your present life you may have some blessings waiting for you, circumstances or opportunities waiting for you to unfold. But you are not aware of that. You are worried about something that has already happened, and you are crying for that, feeling really depressed for that, Virgos. So this may be your energy or your person's energy. They are just wishing that things were different in this connection. But I also see that with these cards, Virgos, there is a change coming very soon. Today, maybe in your life, maybe an opportunity to change yourself or change this person. All those troubles or problems, whatever you have in this relationship, all that may resolve, change for something better today, Virgos. So your circumstances are changing for the good, because we have the Sun card here, and this card stands for success, abundance, and prosperity. And all your problems are going to resolve today, and you are going to be really happy, and you are going to have that clarity and a very good understanding in this relationship. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We picked one card, and it is no place like home in reverse. So, with this card, the energy is that maybe in your um, life today, in this relationship today, human beings are memory driven creatures. We think we remember everything and we want certainty. And today maybe you're expressing something in a very unhealthy way, and you should avoid trying to find something you expect, find something that you truly want. Maybe because you may not, what to say, you may expect that it may work well for you, but only honest choices, or when you make honest choices, it is going to work, guys. But when you make choices driven by your past memories, it is not going to help you. And you need to understand that sometimes we may feel that something is right, it does not mean that that is right. Sometimes it may just mean right because we will be familiar in that circumstances. So today you should do things in a different way in this relationship. Maybe not go for your not go for decisions based on your past experience. So think differently. Even with the previous cards, we saw that you are crying over something that has happened in the past. So, past may hurt, and past is here only for us to give us the lessons. But we should not repeat the same mistakes again. And this time, when you do things differently, your circumstances will be better, Virgos. So, for your career situation, Virgos, we picked one card, and it is Observer. So, in your work circumstance, you need to do things with more clarity, see where things are going, and see your circumstance from a different perspective. That is going to give you the right opportunity for success. You will know what will work and what will be the right thing for you to do, Virgos. So that is the energy with these cards, Virgos. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Virgos. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is your first card. So the reading with the first card for those who chose this card. Tambulina, expectations. So with this card, in your circumstances, maybe you are a unique person, you are different, and it may be really challenging trying to adapt with the people you have in your life, maybe in your work or maybe in your personal life, because you are someone different, and it is a challenge to blend in your circumstances. And maybe you may see some rejection in your life, maybe because of the way you are, but you need to understand that each and every one of us are unique in our own way, and you do not have to accept any relationship you do not love. So you must, what to say, you should not live for others expectations. You must go for that love that you really want to, And you must be with people you are really comfortable with. You should not try to be with someone with whom you are not at all comfortable with. And you will find the right person who will uh, be the right one for you, who will be uh, what to say, who will be the right one in your circumstances. You will have that respect and caring for each other, and you must give up all those people who do not value you for what you are. So that is the energy with this card. And you must see these challenges as something, some experience that where you learn so much. So that is also the energy here. You must not feel sad or stressed, but see your circumstance as an experience giving you a higher learning today. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, we have Moonstone. So, with this card in your circumstances, your intuition is telling you something, and it is something really important, and you feel that you cannot believe what your intuition is telling you. Maybe your senses are telling you something else. Maybe you see something, you believe in that, you believe in what you see or what you hear. But what your intuition is telling you is something right opposite to what you experience. So it is something you don't want to, what to say, go for. You don't want to make any decision based on your intuition. But you need to understand that your intuition is right. It is telling you something which cannot be seen by your senses. And your intuition is coming from that conscious universe, that which is part of our subconscious. So you're getting that heeding or that pointers from that conscious universe, and conscious universe is never wrong. So in your circumstances, whatever your intuition is telling you, you must listen to it. And guys, if you practice meditation, if you are interested in meditation and if you practice it, it is going to help you a lot. It is going to increase your intuition, and it is going to give you more clarity in your circumstances today. So in your relationship or in your career, whatever that inner voice is telling you, you must listen to it, and that is going to benefit you. And that is going to benefit you, and that is your primary sense. And you need to be really honest with yourself if you want to make the right decisions and go for the right path today. So that is the energy with these cards, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.